Hey guys, I'm Jeff Gordon, and I am special for this interview because we have a car that's here, and I should be doing it. And this is old school Jeff Gordon. Old school Jeff. Can you tell us about your career? I mean, Jeff Gordon's in third place with 93 wins total, so, yeah. Well, what I know is I'm so happy to be in this group for the channel, and it's going to be really fun. Alright, thank you. You're welcome. Alright, thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe. And the Johnny episode will be out later tonight. So make sure you view it tonight, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you.